Welcome to today's daily meditation. Once again, this is just a quick reading that I do for you. I'm reading from this book, Journey to the Heart by Melody Beatty. I'm going to read the passage to you. Remember that you can have a journal nearby if you want to write about anything that may come up afterwards or any thoughts or just anything really. Or you can also have any nice calming music playing in the background just to kind of keep you calmer, to soothe you, to maybe give you a little something to take your attention to if thoughts do start to pop into the mind. Remember, this is a practice, so you're showing up again, or maybe this is your first time to do one of the daily meditations, but remember to just keep in mind that the mind is meant to think. It is not meant to be blank. It is not meant to have no thoughts or no emotions. Meditation is simply the practice of coming to a space and just being, just allowing yourself to be with thoughts that arise, be with emotions that come up, or to just be. I'm going to say it one more time. It's a practice. So the more you do it, the more comfortable it feels, the easier it becomes. So just allow yourself this time for the growth. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and settle in. You can sit seated like I am with palms face up or face down on the knees. They can be lying in your lap. You can also sit in a chair with a straight back to give you some back support. You could sit on the couch. You could even lie down. I mean, honestly, there's no right or wrong way to get ready for your meditation, especially if you're a beginner. I want you to be nice and comfortable. All right? So let's go ahead and settle in. Just start to arrive here in your space. Getting any fidgets out, repositioning your clothes, your feet, your hands, your head, anything that you need to. And then go ahead and make your way into some stillness, allowing the body to rest. We're going to start with 3 cleansing breaths. So just start to take a nice big inhale, filling up through the nose, expanding the belly, expanding the chest. If you're sitting up, you can feel your spine grow a little bit taller. And then exhale through the nose, slice and slowly, feeling your body deflate as you release all of the air out of you. Next one, big deep inhale through the nose, filling all the way up. This time maybe you can take a bigger inhale and then gently exhale through the nose, nice and slow. There is no rush. Last one together. Start to inhale. And gently exhale, feeling the muscles, the mind, the full body relax as you're letting go, arriving in your space for this meditation. I'll just go ahead and keep your attention on your breath, but just returning it back to whatever its natural state is. Remember that if thoughts begin to pop into the mind, you can always use your breath as an anchor to bring you back into this present moment. You can use the connection points between you and whatever it is you are sitting or lying on. to bring you back into this present moment. Recharge your battery. Rest when you are tired. Take a break when life stales. Take time to recharge your battery. Energy isn't something you have, it's something you are. To give and give and give, to put out without taking in, depletes your battery. It drains you, runs you down. Running on a low battery is no longer necessary because now we know how to live differently. Taking time to rest, renew, and refresh yourself isn't wasted time. Recharge. Choose what energizes you. Nature, a song, the voice of a friend, a nap, a hot bath, a cup of tea, your favorite program, a book that makes you laugh or cry, a movie, a walk, a run, a prayer, a poem. Whatever speaks to your soul, do that. Actions that emerge from an energized source are easier, go further, and accomplish more. Let your work and love come from a vital spirit. You can continue to just lie here, focusing on your breath, listening to the music if you have any turned on, or maybe just taking this time to sit in some silence, noticing any outside noises, just letting them be part of your practice for this very moment. Lying here for as long as you want to. Know that whenever you are ready, you can slowly open up the eyes and move on with the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'll see you tomorrow.